Net return on revenue is easy to calculate. However, the numbers used in the calculation can vary, confusing comparisons between companies. Some net return calculations are based on net operating profit, profit before non-operating income or expenses such as interest, capital gains, foreign exchange profit or loss, and tax liabilities. These non-operating values can be quite large, affecting the change between operating profit and overall net. Other calculations are based on pre-tax profit, even though a tax liability can be substantial. The after-tax net profit is the so-called net or the bottom line. The selection of one number over another should be based on ensuring accurate year-to-year tracking. The non-operating values can distort the profit in years when they are quite higher. Because net profit can mean different values based on how it is selected, you need to ensure that any comparisons between two different periods or two different companies are truly comparable. Otherwise, any analysis is going to be inaccurate. And here is the formula for net return. It's net profit divided by the revenue. And here is an example. If net profit is $327,600 and the revenue is $5,342,400, what is the net return? Let's see this on a spreadsheet. On the spreadsheet we have net profit and the revenue, and it's pretty simple calculation. The net return is net profit divided by the revenue, and it is expressed in percentage. It's 6.13% in this case. Net return is important because it reveals how successfully the company managed costs and expenses during the year. You want to see profits arise with revenue, but just looking at the numbers can be deceptive, which is why the use of formulas is essential. One negative trend to look out for is a falling net return while revenues are rising. Here is an example. Look at a record of several years' revenues and net profits. At first glance, this record looks impressive. The dollar value of revenues and net profits has been rising substantially every year. Although the dollar value of both revenue and net profits rose over 5 years, the net return fell by more than 50%. This could be caused by a higher cost of doing business at a higher volume, or it could be a sign that costs and expenses are outpacing the growth in revenue. The answer is worth investigating. The dollar value analyzed without the net return does not reveal the trend, and the trend does not always fully explain the underlying cause for the trend. However, whatever further analysis reveals, the pursuit is worthwhile.